Winners achieve their goals while losers make excuses. Hi friends, here is the good news for you. SBI, that is State Bank of India, released a notification for its probationary officers 2020 and 2021. The number of vacancies are 2000 and the last date for the registration of the application is December 4th. Do you want to stay among the 0.1% achievers or among the 99.9% non-achievers? If you are applying for this exam, if you are committed to stay among the 0.1% successful candidates, this video is for you. Please watch the video till the end. You will get an amazing solution to crack the SBI PO exam with confidence. Every year, around 20 lakh candidates are applying for State Bank of India probationary officers examination. Out of them, only 0.1% candidates are successful and the remaining 99.9% candidates are unsuccessful. Why? Why these people are unsuccessful? All the candidates are applying for the same examination with the same qualification. The exam will be on the same date at the same time. They are answering the same paper with the same questions. All the candidates are in the same age group as well. Then why only 0.1% candidates are coming out with success, flying colors? Why remaining 99.9% candidates are not coming out with flying colors? What is the difference between the successful and unsuccessful candidates? What qualities are separating them? Do you know the reason? Think. Okay, let me explain. Throughout the world, all the successful candidates, students, athletes, and champions are having the same common qualities, that is, the psychology of winning, the attitude of winning. On the other hand, the unsuccessful candidates are not having these qualities. They are not using the master key to unlock their inner potential. They are using the outer resources like attending the online classes or offline classes. They are studying a lot of books. Their brain is full of knowledge. But in the exam, they are not able to convert their knowledge into action. Because throughout their study, they were not taught how to convert the knowledge into skill. They are not using their inner resources. They are not sharpening their raw potential which lies dormant. The worst habit that separates the successful from unsuccessful is procrastination. That means delaying and postponing the important work to be done on time. Let us consider the following example. Mr. Ravi, Mr. Shankar both have applied for the SBI PO examination. They both want to get up in the morning at 4 a.m. to study. They set their alarm clock at 4 o'clock. The next day morning at 4 a.m. the alarm clock goes off. Ravi murmured within himself, "Oh no, it is very cold outside. I don't want to get up from the bed." So he slept. Mr. Shankar murmured within himself, "Oh no, very cold outside." But 15 minutes later, he is at the study table. Now you can understand the difference between Ravi and Shankar, the successful and unsuccessful. Mr. Ravi focuses on the process, whereas Mr. Shankar focused on the reward. Please remember, successful people make a habit of doing things they don't like to do. Repeat. Successful people make a habit of doing things they don't like to do. Let us discuss some more habits of the successful candidates. They manage their time very effectively during the preparation and during the examination also. During the examination, managing the time effectively is the key role to get success. And the successful students, they set their study goals, they prepare effective study plans. They study with concentration and stay motivated 24/7. This motivation is important to develop the psychology and attitude of the winners in every student. We designed a kit called the Success Booster Kit. We believe that every candidate appearing for SBI PO examination is a wonderful creature, is a very knowledgeable person, is an intelligent person, but he must be trained and groomed to crack the exam. That is our belief. Why we recommend this Success Booster Kit to every student? Because you are well aware that there is a saying, you can lead a horse to the water, but you can't make it drink. But this Success Booster Kit will motivate you to drink water. That means cracking the exam successfully. It is your coach, your mentor, your trainer. With this booster kit, you can enhance your skills. The famous athletes, sportsmen, businessmen, CEOs, throughout the world, they maintain coaches and mentors. Why? To win, to empower. Why not you? This Success Booster Kit will cater to all your needs in the process to win the exam. It's a complete success building program. It will make you use the action techniques. This will accelerate your success rate. This kit will enable you to unlock the tremendous power lying within you to transform you. 100% it will shift your mindset to embrace success. It will make you believe in yourself. Remember, if you believe in yourself, you can achieve everything in the world. The Success Booster Kit original price is 1000 rupees. But to enhance the employability skills in the youth, Global Volunteers sponsoring 80% of this price. So you have to pay only 20%. That means 199 rupees. We are offering this kit at 199 only. This offer may not be available for a long time. So place your order right now, because it is the most important investment you are making in yourself. Before the offer expires, immediately go to our website link given in the description and place your order right now. Dear aspirants, confirm your success with our Success Booster Kit, as it is a perfect product to make you crack your dream exam. Go ahead. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.